Okay, Miranda. So we are now in number three. Okay, what is it?
Number three
Hmm? What is it?
is how William Bubbly stop communicating with it affected too.
Mm-hmm. Two.
Stop that too.
To get to what? To what? It's starting to get.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
propose to someone.
Yeah, I have given you the answer. We have already answered it. The answer for number two is to get. And it's for example, he keeps
To get
calling
on my
me.
nerves.
Yes, to get on my nerves. Okay. So it means annoyed, it means get on my nerves. Okay. So it has um same meaning. It have a same meaning. Okay, so let's proceed to number three. It's sad. Can you read this for me? It's sad.
That when you move away and you stop and you
Mm-hmm. Okay. Stop what? Communicating.
communicating with your
Okay, so
friends.
the phrase underlined here and number three is stop communicating. So okay, what is your answer? So you will going to choose from here with have a similar or same meaning, like stop communicating. Hmm? It is a fixed phrases. It's stop, like stop communicating. It means that is
Lose touch.
yes, lose touch. Okay, so the answer,
Lose touch.
yes, lose touch. So the answer for this is lose touch. It's sad when you move away and you lose touch with your friends. Okay, very good, Miranda. All right, let's proceed to number four. Okay, number four, the book.
The book
Mm-hmm.
doesn't look very interesting the first time you see it,
Okay, from the
but
word
it is.
itself. From the word itself, the first time you see it. So what is your answer? It is at first. Don't get confused.
At first sight.
At first sight, very good. Okay, the book doesn't look very interesting at first sight, but it is. Okay, very good, Miranda. All right, so we are now in number five. Let's continue. It will make.
It
Let
will be
it.
very sad.
Mm-hmm.
You marry somebody else. It
Yes.
will break my heart.
Wow.
Heart.
Okay, you can easily find the answer for this one. Very good. Okay, number five. Well done, Miranda. Okay, number six. Sometimes.
The
Sometimes.
big. Sometimes I
I
think
think
Jeff
Jeff forgets.
forgets how good it is to have me as a friend.
Yeah. So, okay, from the praise itself, like forgets how lucky he is to have me as a friend. So what do you think is this indicating to? It means that Jeff is
Takes me for granted.
for,
Takes me for granted.
yes, very good. Okay. Takes me for granted. Okay. Very good, Miranda. All right, so let's continue. 7.
From the way Martha attends,
I
I think
think,
she likes him.
okay, she really
I
likes
think
him.
she is attracted. I think she is attracted to him.
Very good. Okay. Number 7. Well done. Okay. Number 8. You become.
You become engaged when you ask someone to marry you, and they say yes,
Okay.
and
Okay.
you propose.
Mm,
Propose.
yes.
And you
Propose.
propose
Very
to
good.
someone,
Okay.
and they say yes.
Very good. Ask someone to marry you or propose to someone. Okay. Let's continue to number 9. I have
I have a lot
lot
of
of work.
work to do, but my
Colleague.
colleague
Colleague.
won't stop talking,
But my colleague.
won't leave me alone,
Yes. Won't leave me
won't leave me
alone.
alone.
Very good. Okay, this is so easy for you. Okay, number 10. Last one, Miranda. I'm.
I'm waiting for the 55 bus, so I'll wait here with you. I'm waiting for the 55 bus
Mm-hmm.
too, so I'll keep you company.
Very good. Okay. Wait here with you or keep you company. Okay, that's so very thoughtful. All right. So we have completed this task, this activity. So now let's move to our next activity. Part 2. Okay. Look at the exam task and answer these questions. Okay, so before we proceed on answering this activity on this question, okay, let's read the exam task first. Okay, Miranda. Exam task
I've not
question. For question 1 to 8. Okay. Read the text below. Okay, wait. Read the text below and think of the word which best fit each gap. Use only one word. Okay, only one word in each gap. There is an example at the beginning. Okay, let's start our reading. The title is How We Met. I.
I've known now since I was died. So it definitely wasn't love.
Wasn't at. The answer is at.
Love in fact.
At first sight. In fact.
Teacher, wait for me.
Okay. Okay. Hello, welcome back, Miranda. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, let's continue our exam task. Okay, I've known Matea since our school days, so it definitely wasn't love at first sight. Okay, okay, continue reading from here. In fact,
In fact, back then he and his Rather, children's
Childish.
friends used to get on.
Childish.
Childish,
Childish.
childish friends used to get on
On.
with
Okay. Get on what? Based on the exam, based on the
get
activity one.
on my love. Get
Get
on his
on.
love.
Get on.
Nhìn từ bà sát. Wow.
He
Get on my.
get on my
And
nerves, and I felt we had nothing in common.
very
So
good.
I was surprised to discover how much he
Okay. He. Past
he
perfect tense.
had
Very good. Had. Had. Change.
changed when we met
Not
up years later. I just split up from someone
I. So okay. So it's past
I
perfect
would
continuous. Past perfect continuous. From our lesson,
I had
I'd.
been I
Yes,
had
been.
been seeing
Seeing
for ages, and I was
was
in
in
no
no
hurry to
hurry.
start dating again. But Mattel seems to understand that immediately, and
Immediately.
I feel immediately, and I feel
Completely.
Bọn kia làm ướt hết rồi, phơi hết rồi
And
bây
I
giờ.
felt completely. What it says? Relaxed or at. Relaxed or.
at ease,
Yes.
at
Completely.
ease,
I
at
felt
ease
completely at ease.
with him.
Okay, with him. Our friendship.
Bái bà học vị làm chị ta học.
Đây.
Um, our friendship grew when
Grew.
I needed
Grew.
grew when I needed someone to keep keep
Keep.
keep keep my
To
keep
keep.
Yeah.
To keep. To keep.
Mẹ mình đập. Đừng đợi nó mỏng nhé.
To keep. Okay.
me
Yeah. Company. He was.
company there for me whenever I was upset. He
He.
he is listen
Is it he is listen or he
who wants
would listen
would listen patiently, and if I needed help, I knew I could always
count
with
count okay count what count
count with him.
count count
How
on him.
on
Okay,
him.
one day.
One day I woke up and realized that I want to see Mattel every day. That
Mhm. He
evening I
proposed. I proposed.
proposed to
Yes, very good too.
him. He said yes, and 3 years later I don't regret a thing.
Okay. So in this story, the girl is the one who proposed to Mateo. All right, Miranda. So let's go back to activity 2. Look at the exam task and answer this question. Okay. Based on the exam task and what you've read, how many gaps are there? How many gaps?
There are
Mm-hmm. There are.
4 gaps.
Is it only 4?
4 gaps.
Is it only
Yes,
4?
only 4. Only 4.
Gap is
Only 4.
here. Like gap 1, 2,
Ah, 8. I before
8.
paragraph.
Yes, 8
I
gap.
before paragraph.
Gap, I explained to you before before what is the gap? It is it is a space between between sentences that we need to fill in. Okay. Number 2, how many words must you put in each gap? How many words?
1 word.
Yes, only
1 word.
one word. Very
1.
good. Are you given a choice of words to use? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it yes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Because I gave you. Okay. So the answer, the words that you used in the exam task were not given. Okay, were not given. It's solely it's um only on you. Okay, number 3. Without feeling, okay, what is it? Without filling in any gaps, quickly read the text and answer these questions. Then do the exam task. Okay. Number 1, what does the title mean, Miranda?
The
What
title
does the
mean nothing.
title mean? The title mean is how we met.
The title mean yes is
Okay.
the
What is the meaning?
the things we write in the read.
Hmm? Okay, so what is the meaning of the title? What's the title mean? How we met? It refers to it refers to it refers to the writer and how she met his her partner. So the title like is how we met. How I met my husband like that. Okay? Okay, Miranda? Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, the title is How We Met. It means the writer refers that how she met her partner. Okay. Is the writer still happy in this relationship? Okay, based on what you've read, is she happy? Yes or no? Why are
Yes.
you smiling like that? Okay, how do you say so? Well, how do you say so?
Yes.
Because she said, I don't.
I don't regret a thing.
Yes, I don't regret a thing. It indicates that she is still happy in the relationship. Okay, question number 2, Miranda. What kind of text example a news item is? Hmm? What kind of
I
text?
don't.
It is
I don't know. I
like
don't know.
like
I don't know.
this, like the okay, like the exam task. This is the example. This is a personal story. Okay, a personal story or a narrative story. Okay? All right, Miranda?
All right.
All right. Okay. Let's see if there's okay. Let's move to activity 4. Which answer complete fixed phrases from exercise 1 and which complete past tense? But before you answer it, can you read this for me, Miranda? Quick steps to part 2.
Quick step to part
Mhm.
2. Read the title and the example. Then quickly read the text. For each gap, decide what kind of word you need. Example, auxiliary,
Auxiliary.
auxiliary verb.
Auxiliary. Auxiliary.
Auxiliary. Auxiliary.
Auxiliary.
Verb. Preposition.
Very good.
Don't use ab
Abbrevi
abbreviation.
yes.
Abbreviation.
Abbreviation. Abbreviation.
Abbreviation. Such as
Etc.
X,
Etc. This means etc.
etc.
Or
etc.
etc. etc.
Or
Or contracted.
contracted forms like words. These counts
Count
are two
as
words,
two words. Okay.
etc.
Use the correct verb form with the subject given. Example. This is example. Example. People were going. Okay. Not was. Example tips. Okay. Make sure you have given one word for every question and that your spelling is correct. Revise verbs and adjectives plus preposition as these are too often tested in part 2. Okay, Miranda. So number 4, which answers complete fixed phrases from exercise 1 and which complete past tense? In exercise 1, like this. Hmm? Which answers complete fixed phrases from exercise 1? For example,
At
sorry.
first sight,
For example, at. Yes, very
my,
good. At.
my,
My.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
me,
Yes, me. And
two.
yes, and two. So these are the answers that complete fixed phrases from exercise 1 and which complete the past tense. Which complete the past tense from this exam test. Past tense. We are talking about past tense. It is had. Past tense, Miranda. Had
Had
and
been,
yes,
been.
had and been. Okay, so these are forms of past perfect. Okay, past perfect simple is had and been is form of the past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Okay. So let's move to the next page, Miranda. What? What are you singing? Okay. Linking expressions. Miranda, look at the screen. Okay, linking expressions. Match the underlined linking words with their meanings. With their meanings. Okay, as soon as. Okay, can you read this for me? As soon as.
As soon as, at first, at the same time,
Okay.
between two times, immediately, very surprising, but surprisingly,
Mm-hmm. Okay. As soon as, at first, at the same time, between those two times, immediately, and very surprisingly. So we will just going to finish our lesson, okay? Because we have stopped earlier, right? Okay, let's just do this last activity, Miranda, before I let you go. And then after that, you are free. Okay, number one. Let's just do this activity. Huh? I know that you are looking at the time, but we have to finish this. Match the underlined linking words with their meanings. Okay. Initially, what it means.
I don't know.
He
I don't know. I
thought
don't know. Initially is
we will just going to match the underlined words, linking
immediately,
words with their meaning.
immediately, immediately, immediately.
He thought the course was easy. It means initial. Initial means
At
at.
first,
Yes, at
first.
first. Very good. Okay, how about number two? The flight was at 9:15 but arrived at the airport at 7:30 in the meantime. So in the meantime it means in the meantime between in the meantime I had some breakfast.
In
Between
in the meantime, between those two times, I had some breakfast.
yes, between those
As
two
soon
times.
as Dan had woke up, as soon as soon as,
As
as
soon
soon as soon
as
as
soon
soon
as.
as.
Okay, instantly. Instantly. If number three is once, as soon as, very good. What is instantly? Instant. This instant. Bring me, okay. When someone says, bring me the menu, this instant. So what it means? This instant, what it means? Imi? Why did you do that?
Yeah.
Why did you do that to your brother? It means immediately. Miranda.
Immediately.
Okay, immediately. Okay. How about simultaneously? Simultaneously, it means at at the
At the
same.
same time.
Okay. To my amazement. To my amazement. What is to my amazement? Very amazement. Amazement.
Abasement. Abasement.
Amazement. It means what? Sore? Sore.
Amazement, 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 amazement.
Okay, the door opened, but to my amazement, there was nobody there. Very surprisingly. Amazement means surprisingly. Okay, Miranda, since we have run out of
Good.
time, we will going to finish our lesson and I will see you again tomorrow, okay? We will going to continue
Okay.
our lesson. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Ôi, ôi.